Somerford are an elite Splunk partner. This means we can support customers through the whole process, from initial discussion to POC and implementation, followed by ongoing support from our service desk. We also provide professional services to a high security level and project management to organizations that require it for initial deployment or business upgrades. We partner with other industry leaders to provide tailored end-to-end solutions to our customers, using expert consultants who are experienced at implementing and supporting our solutions. Somerford have built a portfolio of products and services designed to assist public sector organisations deliver changes in services and technology, whilst mitigating risk. We are part of both the G-Cloud and DOS3 framework agreements and many others, enabling us to procure to public sector organisations easily and effectively. Splunk Enterprise Security, or ES, is a premium application from Splunk, placing Splunk in the Magic Quadrant for SIEM. It extends from the foundation of the Splunk platform and utilises all the latest features of Splunk to provide the most performant and powerful SIEM solution available on the market. The security posture page is where a security analyst will generally start the day, as it shows the overall security status of the environment. Enterprise security utilises correlation searches to detect anomalies and security incidents in your environment. The results of these correlation searches are displayed as notable events, with an urgency level based on the priority of the device involved and the severity of the incident in question. The Incident Review dashboard is a visual interface for analysts to manage security incidents. It details all of the notable events in the environment and allows analysts to quickly triage, assign, and track issues. Upon expanding a particular notable event, an analyst can view the devices and users related to the incident, their associated risk scores, the history of the incident, and any current ownership. There are drill down links to take people to the actual correlating events, the contributing events, those that are actually being correlated in the first place, those raw events, and next steps on what to do to take in terms of actions. The asset and identity investigators are a one-stop view of all relevant events relating to a particular asset or identity. It details information about the device, the user, and demonstrates patterns over time for several categories of events by means of swim lanes. These swim lanes are displayed as heat maps to highlight periods of high and low activity to form a complete view of the host or user's actions in the environment. Splunk ES divides the environment into several domains. Within each domain are a collection of dashboards providing the high-level statistics on access, malware, network traffic, updates, intrusion detections, and more. Within each of these domains are operational security dashboards showing items such as long-standing vulnerabilities, malware signature versions in use, uses of default accounts, machines not updating, and running out of sync with the time. These assist the security team to measure the business's effective security controls and deploy strategies to improve the security moving forward. Splunk ES integrates with over 20 threat data feeds out of the box, and that number can easily be extended to any number of STIX, TAXI, or OpenISC threat feeds. Once these feeds are fed into the platform, any threats discovered in the environment can be viewed in the threat analysis dashboard. There are many further advanced analytical dashboards under the Security Intelligence dropdown, showing things around the protocol intelligence such as traffic size analysis, DNS activity, email activity, user intelligence in terms of access anomalies, the Superman user, UBA anomalies, and web-based intelligence based on HTTP category analysis, user agent analysis, and any new domains. Of course, this is all great, but really what powers a SIEM solution is the underlying content. Splunk ES comes with a use case library to map the use cases that a security team requires to correlation searches that can be embedded into the security platform of enterprise security. Splunk have basically extending the Splunk Security Essentials application to detail analytic stories around many use cases. These analytic stories contain collections of correlation searches, which can be enabled to detect emerging security threats. Thank you for watching this very brief overview of Splunk Enterprise Security. If you'd like to get in touch with us for further information on ES or any of our services, you can contact us on info@somerfordassociates.com or call 01793 698 047. We also run regular workshops and webinars, details of which can be found on our events page.